In this video, we're going to talk about topic 5.4, which is solving systems of equations word problems. So we're going to learn how do you set up and solve a system of equation word problem. And you're going to be able to say, I can set up and solve a systems of equation word problem. So we're going to look at example 1. At a particular restaurant, each mozzarella stick has 70 calories and each slider has 325 calories. How many calories would there be in 5 mozzarella sticks and 2 sliders? And how many calories would there be in X mozzarella sticks and Y sliders? So they just told us that mozzarella sticks are X and Y is sliders. So we're not quite solving a system yet, so we're getting there. So if I were to set up an equation for this, I would know that there would be because we're talking about the calories. So each of the calories in a mozzarella stick is 7, and that has to do with X, or 70. So I would say 70X plus each slider has 325. So I'd take 325 and I'd multiply it by Y. Then it's asking me how many calories would there be in 5 mozzarella sticks and 2 sliders. So I would do 70 and I would substitute in the 5 for the mozzarella sticks and the 325, and I would substitute the 2 in for the sliders. And then when I multiply that out, I get 70 times 5 is 350. 375 times 2 is 650. So my final answer is that there would be 1,000 calories. Okay, looking at example 2. Penelope and her friends are going to a grocery store. How much would it cost to buy 5 bananas and 2 peaches if each banana costs 90 cents and each peach costs 75 cents? How much would it cost to buy 55 bananas and 22 peaches if each banana cost X dollars and peach cost Y dollars? So it told us what the bananas were and the peaches were. So we are going to set up that we have 55 bananas and at X, so we'd have 55X, and then 22 peaches that cost Y, so plus 22Y. And then I take that back. We are going to do this a different way. That's not right. We would have to set up the cost, which is this here. So we're going to do 0.9 times X plus 0.75 times Y for the peaches. Then we're going to plug in the number of peaches and the number of bananas. So 0.9 times 55 bananas plus 0.75 times 22 peaches. And then when we multiply 0.9 times 55, we should get 49.5. We multiply 0.75 times 22, we would get 16.5. And then when we add that up, we should get a total of it would cost us $66. So those were just a review of setting up word problems. So now we're going to actually get into setting up, actually we're going to do that in the next video.